Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we will talk about the affiliate program of Systeme. So let me take you to their website, which is systeme.io. It's Systeme with extra E in here. So for the ones who don't know what is Systeme, it's a platform for all-in-one marketing. So that means if you're part of affiliate marketing, digital marketing, or any sort of online marketing, then this platform is for you. Let me show you. So you can come to their website, and which is this, and then if you scroll down, you can see from the website the platform. You would be able to create sales funnels. You could do you can send marketing emails. You could build websites or manage your affiliates. So even like, let's say if you have your own productive services and if you want affiliates to promote to you, you could become the part of Systeme.io as, affiliate programmer, and recruit affiliates to promote you as well. So all these things you can do. And if you look at the pricing, so let me take you here, which is this. You can read through it, what they're offering. They have free plan, then they got startup webinar unlimited. You can see what they're providing. So they're one of the amazing platforms out there. If you're part of affiliate marketing, and you might want to consider using them, that's what I would suggest. But that's not the only reason we are here. We are here to earn money from Systeme. Can we earn that? We can definitely do that. We can join the affiliate program of Systeme. When we join the affiliate program Systeme, we can start promoting them, start promoting the partners or the product, and start earning commission for that. So to join the affiliate program, you can go to their homepage and scroll down till the very bottom of the page. And over here, you can click on affiliate program. On the footer section. When you click on affiliate program, it should take you to the affiliate program page, and the first thing you will observe is the commission rate. So they're very generous. They're providing 50% lifetime commission. Now what does that mean? That means whatever sales you're going to bring to them or to their partner, again, it depends on offers as well, but estimate it's 50% lifetime commission. So that means if you brought someone using your affiliate link, if they make the purchase, doesn't matter, today, tomorrow, after 1 month, anytime in the lifetime, you will be entitled to get commission, and that is around 50%, and that's lifetime commission. And there is one more thing which is not done here. It's a tier 2 commission. So what is tier 2 commission? For example, you brought someone and they brought someone else. So not only they will get commission, you will also get commission. Of course, the commission rate won't be 50% for you. It will be lesser. But the point is, through the efforts of someone else as well, you could earn commission in here. So this is so amazing. I have seen many affiliate program, but an affiliate program like this, it's very unique. So I would say a very good fit for you as an affiliate. Then they got strong affiliate tracking. What does they mean by this? So the tracking links is just very easy and very simple to use. And not only that, let's say if you brought 100 users to them, and whenever they will send email to those 100 users, they will ensure to keep your tracking links on those emails. That means if they make the purchase, you'll anyways get the commission. So all you have to do is to bring users to systeme.io, and they will remember those users. So anytime when they make the purchase, through the emails that Systeme sent to them, you'll be entitled to get commission. And then they are open. They have open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join their affiliate program. So yeah, there's no condition, but still, the underlying condition, and that is you should not be following black hat tactics. That means bad online marketing tactics, because they're very serious about it. That's one. And the second is you should not be using your own affiliate link, tracking link to make purchase, because that's something that they forbid. So these are two things that you want to avoid. And of course, anything that you feel like you shouldn't be doing, the bad practices, avoid that too. Then anyone can be an affiliate with them. This is so great. Doesn't matter if you have a website, a blog, a social media presence, so long as you have online presence, you can become a part of them as an affiliate. And if you scroll down, you could see how to get started. There are some resources as well, especially this one. Read the info page about how the Systeme.io affiliate program works. So when you click on this, it will take you to this PDF, and I highly suggest that you read through it. This will give you more context to what we are discussing. And not only that, there's one more help center article, help page, they call it. And this is the link. I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well, and I highly recommend that you go to this link and read through it. I will try my best to cover as much as I can from both of these resources, but still, if you want to have more information, you can go to this page and as well as this page, and I think that will all you need to understand all about the affiliate program. All right, so if you want to explore further, you can scroll down, but let's talk about how to join the affiliate program, isn't it? For that, as you can see here, enter your email address in here. So ensure you use proper valid email address in here. You can enter the email address, then click on join and start earning affiliate commission. So when you do that, they will send an email to you to the given email address. So this is my email account. As you can see, I got the email address already. Sorry, I got the email already. So you can open the email like that, and there will be a link. Click on this confirmation link. And when you will click on this link, of course, the email address that you have given, you should receive an email like that. Click on the link and it should take you to this page. Over here, you can decide your password. Enter the password in here. I'm going to enter mine and then click on I'm not a robot, and just go through with the capture. After passing the capture, you can click on save. And when you do that, it will take you to something called dashboard. Now, this is not the dashboard just for the affiliate program. As I say, through Systeme, you could do many things. You could create website, create sales funnels, to send emails and all that. So this is the dashboard for all those purposes, including affiliate marketing. But since we're only focusing on the affiliate marketing side of it, we have to click on dashboard and we have to click on affiliate dashboard. So this is where you would be able to see affiliate activities. You would be able to see all your stats. You can click on stats by vendor. So vendor are, those people who are part of Systeme and they're running their own affiliate program through Systeme. So you could see a total stats in here, stats by vendor. And if you scroll down, you would be able to see all this information. Then how about your tracking link? So you see my tracking link is here. So when you click on affiliate dashboard, you would be able to see tracking link in here. It would have something like SO is equals to, there will be a unique number. So that is only for you, a unique ID just for you. So this is your affiliate link. You can directly copy this link and start using them. That's one way to promote them. What about you want to promote more? That is available on systeme.io. For that, you can click on marketplace. And when you do that, it should take you to this page. You can explore all these offers. And as you can see, this is the commission rate. So you can explore all this and promote any of these. You can also go to affiliate program side of it and start promoting those vendors as well. So in our case, I went to the affiliate programs, that 182 results. So let's say if I want to promote free copycat threads, or let's say I just want to promote the product of systeme.io. So I can click on systeme.io and it will give me all the information, you see. So these are all the things that I can promote for systeme.io. So like this, you can click on any of those tiles, and let's say that you want to promote this one, free training, how to make 11K in 7 days. Now that sounds interesting. So let's say you want to promote this. You can simply click on this course, and when you do that, you will see this information, promote opt-in page. So you can click on promote offer, and you will see this link. So this will be the link that you can copy and start promoting. And if you look at the link, this is a unique ID that only belongs to me, and that's what converts this normal looking link to my tracking link. So in your case, whenever you will click on offer, the button that we clicked on, it will take you to the page. Just copy this landing URL and just share it with your users, and when they come to this page, when they make the purchase, you'll be entitled to get commission based on what we saw when we clicked on get offer. So this is how you can explore. You can get all the links and start promoting different vendors or product of systeme.io, and you would be able to see all the performance in here. Now, how about getting the commission of it? So all the commission you'll see in here, but how about the payment of that? For getting the payment from systeme.io, first thing you have to update your profile. And for that, you can click on this avatar sign on the top right hand side, hover over here and click on settings. When you do that, it will take you to your profile settings. It's going to take a few seconds to load, and then you would be able to see your profile information. Not just profile information, there would definitely be more information in here. So within profile settings, you have to ensure you update your display name, your first name, last name, your country, city, address, postal code or zip code, whatever you have. state or province, and phone number. And of course, you can decide here whether you're individual or a company. If company, then you can give your company name, company number, tax number. But if you're individual, just pick individual. And this is very important. Don't try to give the information that you think is incorrect. Try to give all the accurate information, because you never know when that information will be getting used. And with used, I mean, when system.io may reach out to you and may kind of do verification. So you never know. It's very important, since you'll be getting payment from them. So you should have this information up to date. That's what I'm trying to say. Once you've updated this information, just click on the save. So that's one part of it. Second part, on the left hand side, scroll down till you see affiliate commission payment settings. Click on it, and then it will allow you to set your payment method. Over here, you can either decide to choose from PayPal. If you click PayPal, it will ask you for the email address. If you choose wire transfer, then it will ask you for the banking details. But there is a condition: make at least one sale to fill bank details for corresponding currency. So depending on your likeness, you can select the payment method in here. Now, once you've set up the payment method, then how often would Systeme.io make the payment to you? That's another question you may have. So they issue the payment on 10th of every month for all the sales that happens before 30 days from 10th. So all the sales that happen before 30 days, you'll get a commission for that. That's one condition. Second is, your accumulated commission in your affiliate account, the affiliate dashboard, should exceed $30 for that duration. So these are two conditions. So long as you have met the condition, you can expect the payment to come from Systeme.io. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you, and all the very best in promoting different product or different vendor or Systeme.io. I'm sure you will do amazing. In the meantime, if you got any question that you want me to cover for affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the video comments, and I will try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.